Hi, it's Addie Kelzer with Urban Fitness Twin Cities, and today I have some thoughts for you if you are thinking about starting a fitness program or restarting a fitness program, even if it's been a very long time. One of our current clients is 77, and he is just for the first time this year adding physical fitness into his weekly program, so it truly is never too late to get started. So we understand and we hear from clients that getting started or restarted on a program can be very scary, and there's a lot of unknowns as far as what program you might get involved with and how you're gonna progress that program. But I just wanna let you know that at Urban Fitness, we do everything that we can to help take away some of those fears and really help our clients build confidence from the moment that they begin working on their physical fitness. So one of the ways that we do that is when someone wants to learn more about our business, we typically get on the phone, and from there we start to get to understand them, what are any hesitations that they might have about working with a professional or about their fitness in general. And then also see what it is that they like and don't like about fitness and what their goals are. After that, we set up a free consultation, and that's really just a fact-finding session. So we want to get to understand more about them and also how their body moves. So we do that through a sample workout. And then from there, we can start to identify how we imagine their program looking from point A, where they're at in their journey right now, and how we might get to goals X, Y, and Z. What are some benchmarks along the way and the progressions that we'll use. So from there, we just really want to make sure that clients are getting tailored workouts, whether it's about the kinds of exercises they like, the ones that work best for their body, and even the environment in which they work out, so that they're continually building confidence along the way with their trainer, confidence enough to where they can go and do some of those workouts on their own as well, really building a lifelong habit of fitness. So if you choose to not reach out to a professional and you want to go it alone, my best advice would be to not start too hard and too fast. Give your body time, even if you're mentally ready to just jump in, give your body time to progress along with you, and maybe a little bit of extra rest in those first couple weeks if you need it. However, reaching out to a professional, I think, is a great way to ensure that you're going to be taken care of well, and that you'll be able to progress without having to put too much thought or research into it, because you've got somebody else on your side helping you along the way and helping you work toward the goals that you have. So when you're ready to get started on your new fitness program or get back to some of the athletic activities you did once upon a time, go ahead and give us a call, and we'll get started on your free consultation, and you can see how we can help get you started on your new path toward fitness.